Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Roblox voice chat, quick fix step by step clearly. To start using Roblox voice chat, first ensure your account is eligible. You need to be at least 13 years old. Next, enable voice chat in your account settings. Log in to your Roblox account on the website. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to the Privacy tab. Look for the option that says Voice Chat. Toggle it to the on position. Once that's done, check your microphone settings. Make sure your microphone is plugged in and functioning properly. Then, adjust your device settings to allow Roblox to access the microphone. Open the Roblox game where voice chat is available. Join a game that supports voice chat features. Look for the microphone icon in the game. Click the icon to activate your voice chat. You should now be able to communicate with players around you. If you encounter issues, restart the game and try again. Make sure your in-game volume settings are adjusted so you can hear others. Remember to follow the community guidelines while using voice chat. This ensures a better experience for everyone involved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.